What's up, everybody? Mikey Mullen, Jig It Fishing. Not sure if you can tell. For one, it's overcasty, but I'm out at Folsom Lake and I'm with this guy.
What's up, everybody?
What's going on? We only have about 3 weeks left before the ISE.
Yes, sir.
So it's in a couple weeks. This guy has been working his butt off, man. I'm telling you, 1,500 plus flashers.
For sure.
As you can see, what he's got dangling there, some Wonder Breads, and we got some glow bugs. In fact, that's the only place you're going to see the glow bug and the Wonder Bread in a combo.
Yes, sir.
And that's what that combo is going to look like. And I'm going to show you straight off how this thing right here, just open it up, take this glow bug out, untwist it, open up the old 7-inch flasher. Again, this is Folsom. This thing works everywhere. The kokanee don't really like the bigger flasher, but and then my general rule of thumb is 2.5 times the length of the flasher. 1, 2, which should almost be just about there. Tie a nice loop on the end. Now you can make this as long as you want, doesn't matter really. Take some nips. Put this onto the back. Like so. And then basically this just gets tied to your lead, or to your line, your main line on your fishing pole. And then we gotta get some bait out, and I'll show you how we tip it out. Cool. Bait out, alright, so what we do is we just slice up some little pieces of anchovy, get them nice and salted. There's a nice piece right there. Just a little tiny sliver of anchovy. I like to put mine on the inside hook. Just hook it once. Once you salt it for a few days, it'll stay on there. Just like that. And that's all. Let's get to fishing. Alright, we just got set out. We're actually pointing the wrong way, so we're going to spin back around. We're going to be heading back towards the dam right over there. So from the dam to right about here, there's a Y. Then it comes up towards us, and then the other arm goes out towards south arm. I like fishing that Y area. But right now we're getting some fish on the screen. So that's promising. Let's get it. Speed, we're good. Gotta get turned around. I don't know how high that ledge is. See that ledge we're getting ready to cross up? The ledge could be a bit. What's your deepest? 40. Okay, on. Fish on, baby. And released. Already. 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. Glow bug wonder. Glow bug wonder.
There's a spoon on there, too.
Oh, you got the top line?
Yeah, I got the top line on there.
The trout in here are pretty active right now.
Oh, yeah.
Feel
Decent. Doesn't feel like a bass.
Oh yeah, I mean, there's always the bass in here. Old Folsom ready to kick it out.
Oh, yeah, he's right. On the glow bug.
Come over here.
He wants to go, doesn't he? Go, King. Oh.
King on the glow bug.
Watch your tip, watch your tip. Hold on.
Good? Yep. King number 1, baby. All right, that didn't take long at all. King number 1 on a glow bug. Y'all want to catch some of these kings, get out to the ISE and come get some of these. Come get some! Oh yeah, I got a fish on. I got a fish on.
Oh yeah. Let me know when you're close, man. I'll drop the net. All right.
Just got a fish surfing behind us. Yeah. Fish on. Swimming up there with me. Ooh.
Oh, nice king.
Yes, sir.
What were you at? 23?
23. 35. Nice one. Nice.
Sick.
All right. Oh.
Don't knock the bait out.
That's a nice one. Pretty nice little fish. Look at the rain over there. Use that as a crab box for this. Starting to rain.
Want to use my mount?
All right, we moved. We're heading down, well, you can't see because of the fog, but we're going towards the south arm. We were over by the dam, but it kind of slowed up. So we made a move. It's starting to rain on us. Let's go. Alright, y'all. It's raining. And it just thundered. I don't know if you just heard that. Here's our view from inside the boat. It's a stormy. And the fish are not biting. We better hurry up.
Right.
Holy cow, it is raining now. It's dumping out there. I don't know if you guys can see this guy right out here. This guy's name is Joe. We met him on the boat dock. Rusty ran over a combo.
Yep.
Gave one of the combos from like one of the shows.
Yeah, the UV Wonder Bread and a glow bug.
And he just messaged us. And it wasn't even 5 minutes. He had one on. That's what's up.
That's what's up.
Woo. Holy cow. Everything's wet. Damn. Ah! What is going on with all the birds? Holy cow. Let's keep coming. Alright, we're out of here. That was kind of a long day. Not too bad of a morning.
3 for 3.
Alright, tell them where to be.
Oh shoot, January 16th through the 19th, ISC Sacramento Show International Sportsman's Expo, space number 3300C. 3300C.
You ain't gonna miss a stand.
Right next to the fly fishing stuff.
You will not miss a stand.
For sure.
All right, guys, we appreciate it. We'll see you guys in a couple weeks. See ya.